Integrated digital media and educational software applications. So this chapter's objectives are to explain the differences between digital media and multimedia. Name and define the elements of multimedia and digital media. Explain the different uses of digital media applications. Discuss digital media applications on the web. Identify various K-12 software applications. Specify what is meant by an interactive media. Explain the use of digital media authoring software programs. Explain why digital media applications are important for education. So chapter outline what is digital media applications, K-12 education software applications, creating and presenting digital media presentations. So what is digital media? Multimedia incorporates a variety of elements including text, graphics, audio, video, and animation. Digital media, on the other hand, is technologies that allow users to create new forms of interaction, expressions, communications, and entertainment in digital format. So multimedia incorporates all these things: text, graphics, video, audio. Digital media allows the user to create new forms of interaction. Interactive multimedia software. So this is a software, an interactive multimedia software that helps users learn about the human body. Okay, I'm just going to go through this quickly. Digital media text, digital media graphics, digital media animation, digital media audio, digital media video. These videos can be played 15 to 60 frames per second, FPS. Digital media applications involves the use of digital media technologies in education, business, and entertainment. So some examples of digital media applications are computer-based training, CBT. Reduce training time and cost, teach new skills, courseware, instant feedback, self-paced study, unique content, unique instructional experience, one-on-one interaction. Electronic books and references. So here are some examples of electronic book and electronic references. How-to guides. Instructions, step-by instructions, demonstrations, teach practical skills. For example, landscaping example. Digital media, newspapers and magazines called e-zines. They are digital versions of newspapers or magazines distributed via CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, or the World Wide Web. Entertainment and edutainment. Games, music, interactive music, edutainment, both educational and entertaining. Virtual reality. Use of computers to create an artificial environment that appears and feels like a real environment and allows users to explore and manipulate the environment. Use specialized headgear, VR on the web. Information kiosks. They're computerized information resource centers. Digital media and the World Wide Web. Part of the internet, outline radio stations, movie rental sites, games. Web-based training, WBT, and distant learning. Web-based training, computer-based training on the web. Many organizations use WBT, free or fee-based. Distant learning, well-based education, distributed learning, well-based course, well-enhanced course. Colleges and universities, students attend class from home or any time that fits their schedule. High schools, professional development training. I'm just going to just name the topics and I can read when it comes up. So K-12 educational software. An educational software application refers to computer software products used to support teaching and learning of subject-related content. Interactive multimedia applications enrich learning process by providing individualized instruction and exploration. Educational software applications are available in many different designs, forms, and curriculum levels. So K-12 educational software applications. Computer assisted instruction. SAI is software designed to help teach facts, information, and or skills associated with subject related materials. Other names used to refer to educational software such as computer based training CBI or computer based learning, computer aided learning CAL. So CBI, CBI, CAL. So what is CAI? Is a software designed to help teach facts, information, and skills associated with subject-related materials. Okay, drill and practice software. Drill and practice software uses questions and feedback as well as reinforcement. Though the use of repetitive exercise allows students to continue to work on specific material to remember or memorize the information, also known as skill reinforcement software. Drill and practice software is effective for learning basic skills and remediation. Remediation is review content many times and using alternative ways until students grasp the concept being taught. Is what I'm doing now. I keep listening to this until I learn it. Educational games. Educational games contain a set of rules that allow students to compete against other students or the game itself. Game can be effective way to teach content through repetition and practice. Educational games create problem-solving environments, forcing students to use higher order thinking skills. Tutorials. A tutorial is a teaching program designed to help individuals learn the use of a product or concept. Use structured, linear, or non-linear branching approaches. Educational simulations. An educational computer simulation is a computerized model of life that represents a physical or simulated process. So an educational computer simulation is a computerized model of life that represents a physical or simulated process. It models some event, reality, realized circumstances, or phenomenon. Simulations offer learners the opportunity to manipulate variables that affect the outcomes of the experience. Educational computer simulations on the web is growing. Integrated learning systems. An integrated learning system is a sophisticated software program usually developed by an established educational software corporation as a complete solution in one package. Curriculum specific educational software. Today, hundreds of high-quality interactive and digital media educational programs are available for use by K-12 educators. Creativity applications allow students to use their imagination and ingenuity. So it allows them to be basically creative. Critical thinking applications stimulate students to use critical thinking skills. So you're presented a problem, and how would you solve that problem? Early learning applications are designed to provide students in grades preschool to grade 3 with developmental head start in reading, language arts, science, and other curriculum areas. So they have pictures and engaging graphics to like basically keep you engaged. ESL foreign language. ESL and foreign language applications provides K-12 students with assistance in learning English and other languages. Enable students to practice their skills in non-threatening environments. Language arts. Language arts applications available for all grades support students through the reading and writing process. Math, science, and social study applications. Creating and presenting digital media presentations. Creating digital media applications involve producing various digital media elements, defining the elements' relationship to each other, and then sequencing them in the appropriate order. Digital media authoring software, also called multimedia authoring software, lets you create application or presentation by controlling the placement of text, graphics, sounds, video, and animation. Digital media authoring software allows you to create interactivity by defining the program that respond to user input. So some examples are PowerPoint, Apple iLife, Photo Story. So we're doing this. The data projector is a device that projects the image to the screen. Interactive whiteboard allows the teaching tool that is becoming popular with educators. Interactive whiteboards, also called electronic whiteboards, turn a computer and data projector into a powerful tool for teaching. It's more or less like a touch screen. Okay, these are some examples of digital media application. How to obtain graphics from digital media, so scanners, cameras, photo CD systems. Digital media web authoring software. Yeah, these are some examples. Large monitors or televisions. Again, just another way of how you can show graphics and video. Data projectors, again, projects an image, it's big. I think every classroom has one. Interactive whiteboards. Why are digital media and educational software applications important for education? Interactivity is one of the major features of digital media applications. Students retain 50% of what they see and hear. Students retain as much as 80% of what they see and hear and interact with the learning environment. Digital media appeals to a variety of learning styles. Students become actively involved in the learning process. Students increase retention. Students are motivated and enjoy the process of creating presentations. Teachers can use digital media software as productivity tool, as an integration tool. So chapter summary, what is digital media? Digital media applications, K-12 educational software, creating and presenting digital media presentations. Okay, this is it for integrating digital media.